CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2. Explain the purpose of operating systems. Disk management. In the context of an operating system, disk management refers to the way the operating system organizes and provides structure for file and data management. Imagine your computer's storage as a big cabinet with drawers. Disk management is like arranging files neatly into different drawers, labeling them for easy retrieval, and ensuring there's enough space for new files without causing clutter. Or you can think of your computer's storage as a massive bookshelf, and the operating system is the librarian that organizes all the books on each separate shelf. Similarly, by using disk management tools, we can also create separate logical compartments on our storage devices, called partitions. A partition is a separate and distinct section or compartment of a storage device. It acts as a virtual division, allowing you to organize and manage data separately from other partitions. In Windows, for example, we can access the Disk Management utility and create a new partition for any portion of a drive that is unallocated or is not currently in use. The thick red line represents where I have added a partition. In addition to creating a partition, we can shrink a partition or decrease the allocated space. We can also extend a partition or increase the allocated space. And finally, we can delete a partition altogether. However, when deleting a partition, please be aware that any data inside of it will be lost. Now, let's talk about hidden partitions. These are partitions that are not readily visible to the user. Hidden partitions are often used for system recovery or specific system functions. They are typically hidden from the user to prevent accidental tampering or deletion, but they will still be visible with disk management tools. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.